I'm a giant anteater. Giant anteaters have very long tongues.
Where do you live?
Giant anteaters live in Central and South America. We like tropical forests and grasslands.
Your tail has lots of hair.
I use my tail as a blanket. I use it to block the sun, too.
You eat ants, right?
Yes, we eat lots and lots of ants. We also eat termites.
How do you find food?
Giant anteaters have strong noses. We sniff for anthills and termite mounds. Then we dig up our food.
Do you grab ants with your tongue?
Our tongues are long and sticky. We flick our tongues into the anthill and stick to our tongues.
Do you have enemies?
Pumas and jaguars hunt us. We fight them with our sharp claws. Sniff, sniff. I smell an anthill. Goodbye.
Goodbye, giant anteater.